Tesla's humanoid robot program just hit a wall, while Boston Dynamics' Atlas just got hired by one of the world's biggest car makers. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly why one of these robots is winning the humanoid race in 2026. And it might not be the one you expect. Let's start with Boston Dynamics. Their all-electric Atlas robot, the production version, not the research one you've seen doing backflips, is now being deployed inside Hyundai's factories. Hyundai's target? Up to 30,000 units per year by 2028. That's not a demo. That's a real industrial rollout. What makes this Atlas different is its full range of motion. It can rotate its body in ways humans physically can't, letting it move through tight industrial spaces faster than a human worker. Now compare that to Tesla. Optimus was supposed to be mass-produced by now, but recent reports point to a paused program, reportedly due to reliability issues with the robot's hands and arms. On top of that, the engineer who led the Optimus hand design, Milan Kovac, has left the project. Tesla's vision is still massive, eventually deploying Optimus inside their own factories first. But eventually is the key word. Boston Dynamics is already there. But here's the twist. Neither of these companies might be the actual leader right now. Figure AI's BotQ factory just hit a production rate of 1 robot per hour. That's real manufacturing speed, something even Tesla hasn't matched yet for Optimus. So who's winning? On deployment, Boston Dynamics. On production speed, Figure AI. On long-term vision and budget, Tesla still has the resources to catch up fast. This isn't a one-horse race anymore. It's 3 companies sprinting toward the same finish line, and 2026 might be the year we find out who gets there first.
If you want me to keep tracking this humanoid robot race week by week, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Which one do you think wins? Tesla, Boston Dynamics, or Figure AI? Let's discuss below.